The base point feature in Blender 4.0 allows for fast and accurate snapping. Press G to start moving an object, then press B for base point. Left-click to select the base point. Then choose a target and left-click on it to snap the object there. The base point can be a corner, the middle of an edge, or the center of a face. It also works in edit mode. Select the vertex, edge or face and press G. Then press B to choose the base point, left-click and then choose the target. And left-click to snap it there. This also works when sliding an edge or vertex. Base point snapping is also available when scaling, and it works when rotating as well. Bonus tip, hold down Alt while transforming to be able to navigate.